beautiful Inner Mongolia. Every June, as the summer heat settles over Beijing, an ancient corridor beckons north. One car, one camera, and thousands of kilometers of open sky. A solo journey into the legendary cradle of the northern nomads, where empires rose from grass and horseback. First light hits the winding ribbon of the Wulagai Lakeside Road. Known to history as the Edge of Heaven, this basin has sustained pastoral nomads since the Bronze Age, its waters drawing herders and their livestock across countless generations. Today, its pristine inland wetlands remain the hydrological heart of the eastern grasslands, a fragile, self-sustaining ecosystem feeding rivers and pastures for hundreds of kilometers in every direction. Heading deeper north into East Ujimqin, the landscape opens into the classic steppe, flat, boundless, and unbroken to the horizon. This is a heartland of nomadic lore, where legendary wrestlers were forged and ancient folk songs first took shape around evening fires. For centuries, herdsmen have moved with the seasons here, following the same migratory rhythms as their ancestors, living in careful balance with a grassland ecosystem that offers everything and forgives nothing. Emerging from the dense Khingan forest, the Halaha River begins its course. In Mongolian, Halaha means barrier, a natural shield of volcanic basalt carved by fire and shaped by time. Though its waters run serene today, these banks bore witness to momentous 20th century history, standing now as a quiet monument to a place where empires once collided in silence and in war. Near Arxan lies a geological wonder, the Unfrozen River. Powered by deep volcanic geothermal heat trapped beneath the Khingan Range, its waters flow continuously through every season, defying the region's brutal winters. It stands today as a living remnant of the ancient volcanic eruptions that shaped this entire landscape millions of years ago, proof that fire, long extinguished on the surface, still moves beneath it. As the journey nears its northern peak, a horse herd crosses the Yimin River. The Mongolian horse, enduring, powerful, and essential, was the engine that carried ancient steppe empires across half a continent. Here, in this crossing, the eternal bond between horse, river, and herdsman remains unbroken, a living continuation of a partnership thousands of years old. 14 films captured, thousands of miles traveled, countless stories etched into the land. This is the beauty of Inner Mongolia,